All right, we just got the mini electric chainsaw, 6-inch portable electric chainsaw. And apparently it's 4,100 revolutions per minute. It's a brushless motor and it's powered by 850 watts. It's 6 inches and 21 volts. So let's check it out. We'll save that. And this is the carrying case it comes in. It's kind of cool. It's got two little pop things here. And so that comes off like that. And I think we got to open it like this. I think. Cha-cha! There it is. So it does come with Activate warranty and claim 1 year free. Here you go. Here's your QR code to do that. So we'll save that. And this is the lithium chainsaw user manual. And please read instructions carefully before you use it. So probably a good idea. Look at this. We get a couple of nice warm gloves. Try them on, see how they feel. Look at that. They fit me. I've always been told not to wear gloves with the chainsaw because it could wrap around it, but who knows? I'm going to go ahead and take them off for right now. They're nice, though. Let me tell you, the gloves alone are nice. All right, so here's the chainsaw. Pull it out. Take a look at her. Wow, it's nice. I mean, it's beefy. It's got some cautions on it. There's the blade itself. I think that you put a little oil in here. Let's see. Apparently, yeah, it's a spot for oil. And it should come with some, but we'll have to figure that out. Let's set it down and see what else is in here. Comes with, oh look, you get goggles with it too. I don't want you losing an eyeball. So we'll put those over there. And, oh, you get an extra blade. Check that out. That's nice. Put that over here. I think that this is, there's nothing in it. It's just an empty thingamabob. And I think we put oil in this, I guess. I guess that's what it's for. Set that over there. And here's one battery. I'm not sure if the batteries are charged or not. They work the same way as all batteries. Look, they got the little catch there. So when you slide them on, the contacts go in here, and then this catches on it, so it holds it in. And when you want to remove it, you got to squeeze this and then pull it off. Squeeze and pull, right? It comes with a charger, and apparently we just charge the battery like this. Oh, here it is. Where's it at? Ah, see there? I do believe that's the charging port. So that'll go in like that. And then we'll plug this into the wall. Let's set that down. You do get 2 of these batteries, okay? And to get the battery on, might as well show you, right? Here's your contacts, right? It's kind of loose. And this would slide on. There's like little grooves here. And you can see the groove here, right? On either side. So it just goes on like that. And it should stick on there. And that now the thing should work, I think. Yeah, look at that. It's got a charge on it. So let's go ahead and take that off so we don't cut ourselves. All right, so that's pretty much everything on here. What we've got to do is we've got to learn about this and this and this. So we may have to read the manual. It does have this guard to protect your hand. And this is the safety here. And I'm not quite sure what this does. We'll have to read about that and about this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 different things we've got to look at and figure out. And then we can go ahead and use this bad boy. Check it out and see what we think. All right, let's set her back down. All right, so that's the unboxing of that bad boy. And like I said, we're going to need to read this. And when you use it, you definitely want to wear these so you don't lose an eye. I'm not too sure about the gloves, though. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this cool chainsaw. Peace out.